Hello everybody, welcome to Lifting with Arthritis. As usual, I want to first off say thank you to the new subscribers. The channel's still growing. We're reaching more people, so that's awesome. Thanks for watching. Today I'm going to be try to address two questions at once. Somebody asked about doing a body weight video, and somebody else was inquiring about a workout for beginners. This is going to address both those things. I'm going to be showing you primarily three exercises that are good for body weight and for beginners. I say beginners. Once you get good at them, they look advanced, but I'll show you how to start off and then work your way up to that. And they're good because they involve a lot of core strength. So that way, whenever you do decide to move up to lifting weights, you know, your core, your joints will be strengthened, ready for the weight. So this first off exercise, it's more of a stretch, but man, it really engages your core, your legs. It's a great exercise. To build up to this, if you're a beginner, start off with a basic plank. You're just gonna start off like this, just looking down, back flat, and holding it. And that's where you start. You start off, if this is really hard, if a basic plank is hard for you, just do that for, 3 sets of 5 seconds. So you know what I mean? So just get in position, hold it for 5 seconds, and then rest for a minute or whatever, and do it again. Again, this video is just showing you how to build up. So once you get good, once you can hold that for about 5 to 10 seconds, I don't know about you, but I hate just static holds like that. So once you can hold it, spread your legs a little bit more, and then you're going to try to angle yourself. So you're pointing at the ceiling with your eyes and your arm, and then just come back down. That's the next part of this exercise. Up, and then back down, up, back down, up, hold it for a second, and back down. And just do that until you can do it comfortably. So your core is stronger, your joints are stronger to hold yourself in that position. Once you can do 3 sets of those, then you move up to the third and final form of this exercise. I wish I could give you a name for it, but I don't know what it's called, but it's a great exercise. Just like before, get in plank position, spread your legs a little bit, go up, point to the ceiling, look at the ceiling. This time you go down, put your arm underneath, touch your elbow to the ground, and back up, and that's 1 rep. Again, up, through your other arm, elbow touches the ground, and back up, and I'll show you one more time. Up, go through your other arm, elbow touches the ground, you're going to be twisting at the waist. Up, arm through the other arm, elbow touches the ground with a little twist in the waist, and back up. And that twist in the waist when you put your arm through the other arm, that's the one that can be challenging. That's why I showed you how to build up to this exercise. The next one I'm going to show you, let me show you the easiest one next. And the easy one for beginners is a tricep exercise. You can do this on any legs, a chair, whatever. Just on your knees. Again, this is for beginners. All you're going to do is just bend at the elbow, head till it touches, and back up. And that's all. It's a really good tricep exercise. It's good for the triceps, but also it's good for your joints. I don't know about you, my elbows are always a major source of problem. So this exercise really helps them. Down and back up. Make sure you feel a flex. Straighten your arm. Make sure the flex is coming from your tricep. Down and then flex that tricep. And that's all. But that's a really good exercise. Again, strengthening the joint. and we're getting a tricep workout. This next exercise, it's not for beginners, but I'm going to show you how you can build up to it. When it was shown to me, I couldn't do it at all. It's a very hard exercise. It's I don't even know. I always called it the ninja push-up because the guy who showed it to me was a martial artist. So what you do, you lay flat with your feet almost together, arms above your head, your hands touching, and then you just push up like that. And hold it and back down. See, there's a slight bend in my elbows, but my hands are above my head. That's key. And you're just going to push up like that. Now, I'll be honest with you, when I was shown that exercise, I couldn't do it at all. I laid down, I couldn't get my body off the ground to save my life. So what the guy told me, and it worked, he said, if you could do this exercise, it'd be great, and he just said, keep trying. But what I did is, I built up to that by getting in position, like almost like a push-up, but keep your hands extended, and just holding it. Hold it for about 5 seconds, and rest. And then hold it for 5 seconds, and rest. And as you get better, close the door, buddy.
Why?
Close the door down.
Why?
Because we're doing something.
Can I come?
Not yet, buddy. I don't have time to edit this video. That's my other son. Sorry about that, guys. So as I was saying, as you get better, you're going to move your hands further and further and further away. So once you start getting good, start with your hands way up here. And then once you get good at that, put your hands further out. And then further out. And once you get to about here, that's when you know you're ready to do the exercise. But start out, again, like I said, walking it out. See if you can hold it like this. If you can, then go further out. And once you can hold it to about here, that's when you should be ready to do the exercise. This is a great exercise. It works your lat muscles right here, and your core, your legs. You'll feel it all over. And it's just funny because you'll see guys that can bench press 400, 300 pounds, can't do this exercise. It's really good, and it strengthens all the joints, and it's an achievement when you can finally do it. It took me about, I don't know, something like a month, 3 weeks before I gradually easing my way out before I could do it. But then I said, no, I was right here, and once I was right here, I was like, well, if I can hold it like that, then I can push up. Well, that's all I have for you. I'll be making more videos soon. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next. Alright guys, thanks for watching. God bless.